from the bottom. We got this shit from the bottom. We got this shit from the bottom. Whatever you need, I got you. We got this shit from the bottom. We got this shit from the bottom. You fucking with you that I shot. You fucking with you that I got him. He had a bet with the check on Instagram. Fuck it, you know that I rocked him. I don't know way too many of these sweet ass niggas from Broward. I am not dumb, I am not dumb, I am far from a coward. Fuck the bitch in the shower, only till half an hour. I gotta get it and go. I can't be laid up with no hoe. I gotta go do the show. I'm trying to get that smoke troll. Ain't for the hole to what? Fucking your slut up.
What's going on, YouTube? Got another YouTube video for y'all today. So today we're going to the Atlanta Motor Speedway because they got like a little racing event out there. So we're gonna go see what they're doing out there. But first, I gotta go stop and get some gas. The little fit check. I ain't got nothing on for real. I just got on purple shirt, purple shoes, and some black pants. That's it. But yeah, so we finna go get some gas and everything. So I got him. So I'm gonna get there. It's a little bit dirty, but that's cool. So let me go ahead put the 360 on, and then I'll see y'all at the gas station. Getting gas now. At least I can see the car. Yeah. I actually just bought this
the stand. Believe it or not, the stand, just to get this mount on the back of your car was like $100. I don't know, I mean, I think I saw a cheaper one on Alibaba or something, but like, you know, that's probably where they get them from. But I was like, you know, I don't know if I really wanted to risk it and then get one on here and then it's all cheap and then it fall off and everything. So I was like, you know, because the camera itself is like $400. So I was like, you know, I just go ahead and spend the money and get one that I know is going to be reliable. So I got that one right there. It actually comes with 4 pegs. So I only got one of them on there right now because that's how I see a lot of people run theirs. But I might end up putting the 4th one on there eventually. Looks like that's going to be all the gas we're going to get today, brother. Make sure y'all get all your gas. All your gas.
Time to get back on the road now, so I'll show y'all that. I'll show y'all me driving soon, so let's do it. Alright, YouTube, so I started to get something to eat at Arby's. No, this ain't Arby's, this Hardee's. I started to get something to eat at Hardee's. We right down the street from the Atlanta Motor Speedway though, so if you know one thing about like the Atlanta Motor Speedway events, whenever you go,
they have like food trucks and stuff out there, but it always packed and overpriced. So the line gonna be 3 miles long. And when you get up there, they're gonna tell you it's $300 for a bottle of water. So you might as well stop before you get there. So that's why I stopped at Hardee's and I'm getting something to eat now. But we should be there soon. And I just, you know, show me showing up or something like that. But I called my boy Tars, well, Keon coming through. And he says it's a bunch of cars out there. He said they got like GTRs, the new C806. He says a bunch of cars out there. So we're gonna see when we get there. So I'm just go ahead and fast forward to us.
Charlie B.
OVO Sound Radio.
If you don't want to get slapped, let me in. Yeah, a couple cars out here, y'all. They got the Mustang, the Vet, Grand Sport C6. No, the C6. They get the little like EcoBoost. But this is literally just a parking lot, though. Like, this not even the, you know, where's that at? Look at that. Wide body scan. Yeah.
I'm the only one that gotta live this life, so I'ma live it. I couldn't wait to see the day that I can shout without no limit. I hit M's in the pandemic, I thank God that I'm still in it. I watched bro run up some shit for real inside a Honda Civic. I done double this shit up, I'm tryna get the triple digit. I don't got no time for that bullshit, I be somewhere handling business. I look fast, so I bought switches. You know that sound, we can't too far to turn back around. Keep something pretty in my background. If they play with us, it's SmackDown. Off the top row, where I go. What you mean they all gon' fuck us all? Can't beef about the hoe.
It's the inmate competition.
We will work with you. Alright, got it right.
This your car?
Yep.
Man, this is sick, bro.
Downpipes, carbon fiber intake, and the tune.
The tune? Oh, no, this finna go crazy out there. Oh, that's nice. That's nice, man.
Please, what about that?
Racers, I'll remind you.
Nice meeting you, man.
Oh, you too, man. Thank you.
Good luck out there, too.
Thank you.
We got the ZL1 right here.
That will help make the situation move quicker.
It's tired. Oh, it's manual, too. This your car?
Yes, sir.
Man, that's sick, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
How long you had it?
Since like, yeah.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the rest of the cars. But look, though, see what I was talking about? Look at these food truck lines. Line so long, you don't even know what line is which line. You can't even tell which line is the line. They got a line for the line. See? So let's go look at these cars here. Thing we see is the wide body cat. Wide body Hellcat. SRT. Got your Hellcat right there. Nice. That wide body cat. Got your Z. I think this is not this is the WI4. Yeah, this is that. Some other guys. Oh. Now I'm gonna tell y'all now, y'all mark my words. I'm gonna have this car. I'm gonna have this car. I'm gonna whip it all. I'm daily driving around. This is the C8Z06. We got a scat hat right here.
Yeah, that's what we're working towards right now. I promise you that we want this event to be successful.
Honeycomb. This is crazy. The GT500.
Understand that that's what we are working towards right now. Until then, grab something nice, go drink something warm to eat. Maybe pick up some
Supercharged,
takeover merchandise with a style code
Big
merchandise.
3.
Or maybe just walk around and meet somebody new.
Gosh, look at these exhausts.
I know a lot of y'all are probably just like me. You've never been this close to the pit road, the pit road. And then there was people.
C7.
But we are working towards getting to the point. So next thing across the racetrack in his name, we honestly didn't expect as much. Like I said, even last night, the pre-sale, they didn't reflect this. When I was at Walmart, the light bulbs, they didn't reflect this. When I showed back up, yeah. It was all like most importantly, I want to call you like this is we don't ever want to have others. We don't have all we have to have. We have all the short. We're trying to figure out something about it. But we stay around the base of boxes again. So we hope to do this again because we're doing amusement commerce, great track. Not pleased to do this in the morning. And that's one of our bigger shows. So I guess we're going to reflect that. And anything else we can add. We're not sure what we're already following.
Ooh, look at this cat. This might be one of the hardest cats I've seen.
Run up their money, I can't let a bitch come and try get the best of me. Go try to tell me, little nigga, you tryna slay me, little nigga.
Girls around the world only call when you want something. Sexy lady, take fuck from me like you're on something. We lit up, skin out your boo boo like Dundada. Cock it up, so back it down, buy me a jump on it. You got somebody, I got somebody too. Wine on me, go slowly. I'm into you. And I know you knew I fuck you better than he can. And I know you fuck me better than she can. So
if you would like to stay on the racetrack, that's where you need to go. You need to go down there to turn 4 to the Sunoco shack, or to the Sunoco sign where that ambulance is, and we are funneling people out onto the racetrack. Once we start racing, or before we start racing,
Another GL1 right here, y'all. You got R8.
I ain't never changed. Sleeping on me, I'll be right here when you awake. I'm praying to the Lord, God send me an angel. I'm praying to the Lord, God send me an angel. I'm praying to the Lord, God send me an angel.
was a porn star. Elevate my whole hood. You niggas ain't going for bullshit. I ain't going for. Kelsey was a porn star. I don't trust niggas cause they change like a corn jar. Nacho put me on some city hoes. Where the bitches at? Glizzy put a switch on that and smoke them like a.
Come on.
Y'all already know what the fuck going, man. Y'all niggas not fucking with me.
Come on. J5 in my pocket. How about shoot shit, Houston Rockets? It's a broad day lick, I just hit for the low. Look ain't sight down, pop out double pole. Double down Django, this the life that I chose. I'm trying to take a plug down with the FN. But this Exodio ain't need chipping. I had a strong on the plug, the gangsta don't trip. Back at the whole time, bad like a pin. I got blues in my leather buddies, they gon' crippin'. Step back, then I heard like the bitch. He a bitch, man, nigga ain't going. I done hit for the gun, hell yeah, I'm blowing. Hold up, boy, down on feet, where he going? But the shit got started, hell can't.
Good luck, bro.
Look at this though. That's crazy. Like you see the whole high bike kit. It's got like a frame. That's crazy. I've never seen this thing online. You got track off your back. You got this one over here. You know, that's great. It's pretty cool though. It is got lights in the front. You got that, then it's supercharged. Supercharged. Come on, that thing comes here. You got that. Everybody leaving now though, so you know, but across the lamp charger. Yeah, bro. It's a Lamborghini. That is nice, bro.
You know what I'm saying? We got this shit from the bottom. Rex, doing this shit from the bottom. We got this shit from the bottom. We got this shit from the bottom. Whatever you need, I got it. We got this shit from the bottom. We got this shit from the bottom. You fuck with the two, bet I shot him. You fuck with the two, bet I got him. He had a bet with the tag on Instagram. Fuck it, you know that I rock it. I don't know way too many of these sweet ass niggas from Broward. I am not dumb, I am not dumb, I am far from a coward. Fuck the bitch in the shower, only took half an hour. I gotta get it and go. I can't be laid up with no hoe. I gotta go do a show. I'm tryna beat that smoke troll. But the hole in one. Nigga, they got, she can do that dick like, yeah. My diamond gold, yeah. That gon' shine like cool, yeah. That gon' shine like cool, yeah. Bitch treat me like yeah. Fucking up with her Yeezys, yeah. Okay, then like woods, yeah. We ride that motherfucker, see me too, yeah. Red, beat, ass, fat, jet, skis, on the beat, big hoe. She a Georgia P, big reefer, smoking hella weed in a car, drive like Need for Speed, and she eat the dick like a Rice Krispie treat, and she tryna fuck me in the knee side, and she squeeze that dick like a Capri side, and she say she wanna have my baby. I told her that's a no. I told her she's a hoe. I wanna but my diamond gold. What? That gon' shine like cool tech. That gon' shine like cool tech. coming too.
You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy. You know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you.
Yeah. Don't ever be scared to shine. The sun don't care if it hurt your eyes. I broke my back for you, it was your time. You had turned your spine. And I'm still fucked up back cuz O'Donnell. I said I went offline. And I still be trying, my niggas be slime. What thoughts done blew my mind. My bro got locked, the niggas start crying. I done a lot my stride. They hit the block, I started fine. I thought I wouldn't survive. Nigga had be gang and turn slime. Get locked and turn to 5. And the street shit ain't no game. Your life a motherfucking prize. And the rap shit getting old. The only one blow go sell they soul. If you wanna be real inside this shit, you gotta kick down that door. Shit ain't gonna open for you. Rich niggas act like they don't know you. Label still just to endorse you.